Ever tried saving a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF, only to find yourself thinking, why is this so complicated? Don't worry, you're not alone. But guess what? There's a super simple way to do it, and all you need is your Chrome browser. No extra tools, no browser extensions. Let me show you how. Here's how it's done. Start by opening the ChatGPT conversation you want to save. Highlight the entire chat, then right-click on it and select Print. Now, if the preview doesn't look quite right, no big deal. Just click on More Settings. Under Scale, change it from Default to Custom and adjust it until everything fits perfectly. I usually find 80 works great, but feel free to tweak it to your liking. Before you hit Save, make sure to check Selection Only and set the destination to Save as PDF. Once you've got it all set, click Save and you're done. Is it the fanciest solution out there? Nope, but it's fast, easy, and doesn't require downloading anything extra. Problem solved. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment saying, I subscribed. I'd love to personally thank you for your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.